recording. Okay. So guys, in a position time graph here, you must know that I can plot more than one moving object on this position time graph. So when I say position time graph, always the position is located on y-axis and the time is located on x-axis. But sometimes, guys, you can see that I can change the orientation of my axis. I can put, let's say, x-axis in the orientation towards north and y-axis in the orientation towards what? This is what, guys? Who can tell me?
Time.
North. Okay, this is the north position. Position is located towards the north or y-axis always. Here, let me open my Active Inspire so that I can draw on it. Okay, guys. So always when we say this is a time graph, so position time graph, always you can see that position located is located on y-axis and time is located on x-axis. But sometimes you can see that the y-axis may be on another orientation, so that maybe you can put the y-axis on the horizontal. So here the motion of more than one object can be graphed on a single position time graph. When two lines intersect, okay, when two lines intersect, the objects are in the same place at the same time. This is so important, guys. Okay, in the same place at the same time when the 2 points intersect. Okay, so here an example, guys, that we already talked about it. One Tia and Luis intersect at this point, so we say that at time t equal to 20 seconds, the position of Tia and Luis is the same. So Tia and Luis meet each other at this point. Okay, so the point at which the two graph line intersect is 20 seconds and 40 meters. Okay, you got it, guys? So always what quantity is plotted on the x-axis on a position time graph? Always on x-axis you will see what? You will see the time, and always on y-axis you will see the position. But sometimes you may see that x-axis is here and y-axis is here, and if you see position here, it's not mean that the position is located on x-axis. No, it mean like this. I will plot it here. Sometimes, I'm saying not all the time, sometimes you can see that. You all know, guys, that x-axis is always here. Let's say x-axis is this, always having x-axis on the horizontal and y-axis on the vertical, always like this. But sometimes, I'm saying here, sometimes you may see that y-axis is here, okay, and x-axis is here. You can see it later on. You cannot say that, oh, they are solving in a wrong way. So if x-axis is here and y-axis is here, then time will be here and the position will be here. You will not see it all the time. Sometimes you can see this. Okay, so
Can you repeat this?
okay, I will repeat. Sometimes you always know, guys, that every time, okay, we as normal we know that this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay, but if someone, this is always the x-axis and this is always this. Yes, guys, but if you see this, it's not mean that here we have always here the time axis is here, t in seconds, okay, and here d or x in meters. Okay, so this is what you see always. But if sometimes y-axis is located towards the here we always know that y-axis is located towards what? Towards the north. Okay, this is always. But if you see that x-axis is going towards not the north here, if each line on the grid represents 1 unit, at what time here I'm talking in this case, guys, if each line on the grid representing 1 unit and the positive y direction is to the east. So if you see here, guys, here the y-axis is going to the east. Okay, this is the east. So if y-axis is going to the east, all things will be different. Okay, you will see the figure, but in different orientation. Okay, so let us solve, and when we reach this I will talk more about it. Now starting from this one, if each line on the grid represents 1 unit, at what time was object D at position 2 meters from the graph? Who can tell me? First of all, where is object D? This is object D. Okay, so here. Okay, this is what I am solving here. So let's solve it together, guys. If each line on the grid represents 1 unit, at what time was the object D at a position 2? So I am solving on D at a position 2. So where is the position 2? Who can tell me? So if this is 1, this is 2. So forget all these, just look on the graph D. You can see the line D here, guys.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
can you hear me?
Yes, Mr. We can.
Okay, so every time I solve on a graph, even though if I see more than one line, if he is telling me that use the graph D, so I just observe this, the line D. So at a position 2, what is the time? Who can tell me? This is the position 2. What shall I do? I will go towards what? Towards the line D.
Yes, Mr.
I will go downward in order to reach what? Who can tell me? This is 1, this
The
is
time.
2. So this is the time. Excellent. Time what?
Time in seconds.
Yes, it's what? It's how many?
3.
3, mister.
Excellent. So here, where is the correct answer, guys? 2, 3, 4, or 5?
B.
3.
2, yeah, mister. 2.
Time. I'm talking
Yeah.
about time, not about distance.
Yes,
Here,
mister. What I meant is B, the correct answer. 3 seconds.
what?
Mister, yeah, mister, what I meant is B is the correct answer. 3 seconds.
B, yes. Okay, great.
Yeah.
So it's clear, guys, about this example. How can I locate if the position is 2, then the time is 3. Let's say if the position is another time, use for graph B. Okay, if the position is 3, who can tell me what is the time? So I will go towards the graph
So
B.
2.5?
Why 2.5? See it here.
B or which one?
B. Yes,
2.
B.
Well, Mr. B is in the middle.
Mister.
B, what here? This is a 3. This is
Okay.
2.
Mister, the answer is A, 2.
2. Excellent. Another time, let's say here, if we go to, I will erase this.
Mr. I have a question, Mr. Which app do you use?
Here, in this case. Now you mean?
Yes, now what app are you
It's in
using?
PowerPoint. Just making a slideshow on the PowerPoint.
Mr. how could I make it when I'm entering the course material and seeing business? I'm trying to open the file on PowerPoint. He's saying it's only on Adobe. It's not appearing.
No, because I send it as a PDF. So if you want, I can send it again to you as a PowerPoint. It's no
Yes,
problem.
please send it.
Okay, no problem. Contact me later on. So now, guys, let's say the line A. This is the line A. If we say at time or sorry, at position, this is a negative value, guys, of position. Okay. So according to line A, now another way of here, let's say, okay, another way of asking this question. If I tell you, let's say the time is 2. So what will be the position of A, let's say? What you will tell me here? The time is 2 seconds. If the time is equal to 2 seconds. So what will be the position at line A, or the position of A? So if I this is the point 2, I will go towards the line A. So A is downward. I will go downward. Okay? A will be what here? If this is 0, this is what?
Mr. Why you go toward down?
Because A is going downward. Can you go towards A? Forget
yes,
about
yes.
this. I will.
Yes, yes.
Okay, you get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Because
Great.
I confused because A and C.
This is A. This is
yes.
A. So if this is A, I cannot reach it. If I go upward, I will go downward. So going downward will reach me here. If this is 0, this is what?
And 1.
1?
And 2.
1 or minus 1?
Minus 1, I mean.
Excellent. Minus 1, because I am going in the
Down.
negative direction.
Yes.
Okay, position can be negative because position is a vector, so that it can have a direction. So the direction of this position is minus 1. You get it, guys? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
So now if each line on the grid represents 1 unit and the positive y direction is east, make sure that you will understand this, guys, is east of the origin. So if this is the origin, so the positive y direction is towards the east. This is the east. So now, which objects start farthest east of the origin? Among all these values or objects A, B, C, and D, which object starts
C.
farthest?
B.
C, Mr.
Okay, who tell me C?
No, it's D because C is negative. D is positive.
Okay, see here, guys. He is saying that which object starts farthest east of the origin?
D, Mr.
Farthest east. What?
D.
Okay, you don't know why. It's easy, guys. Here, see. If each line on the grid represents 1 unit and the positive y direction is to the east, so this is the positive y direction, okay, so of the origin, which object started farthest? What's the meaning of farthest east?
D, Mr.
What?
A.
Point D.
See here, farthest east. He wants to know what is the farthest starting point among
Like
all
50
these lines. See the
Yeah.
first one,
Mr. It's
B.
A.
It's A, yes. Why? Let's see why. Because B is starting from the origin, so it's the closest one to the origin. Okay, this is B. D is -1 away from the origin, and C is +2 away from the origin. But A is +3 away from the origin. So who is the farthest one? among all these?
A.
A. You
yes.
got
Mister,
it,
can I
guys?
go to the bathroom?
Yes.
Yes, go to the bathroom. But hurry up, please. So clear, guys?
Yes.
Guys,
Yes.
clear,
Clear.
clear. How can
No,
I?
mister. Don't repeat.
I will repeat it. Just see if I want to compare the farthest from the origin. So I will see. This is the origin. Okay. Let me try it here on the Active Inspire. Okay. If there is, let's say, this is the first vector. This is another vector. Okay.
Mr. Ashraf,
Yes.
I found a better way to find the answer. Can you get back?
Yes, I will give you here. This is another example. So these are three. Let's say another one. So among all these vectors, who can tell me who is the farthest east from the origin?
The
Yes.
yellow one.
The yellow.
The yellow. If this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Who can tell me who is the farthest one?
D.
I will
D.
compare it here. The first one is on the origin, so it's the nearest one. This is also, and this are close to the origin, but this is the farthest one. That's it, guys. You got it? You got it,
Yes,
guys?
mister.
Hadi, you
Yes,
want to?
mister. Yeah.
Abdurrahman, you got it?
Yes, mister. I
Yes,
have a
mister.
better way.
What is the better way? Tell me.
So we can count. Let's say D. We can count how many boxes or
Units?
it moves. See, let's take the D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll see that it starts at line. It stops at line 5.
You mean counting from here? 1, 2, 3,
No,
4,
we
5?
can, yes. It stopped at line 5. We started from the -1.
You mean
1.
D?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so it starts from
Line
-1.
-1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 5. It covered 5 boxes. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It covered 6 boxes.
Yes.
I found this way. It's better. So all covered 5 boxes instead of A. It covered 6.
But why I shall use this way? You can do this, but it's not a proper way. Just he wants to see what is the farthest object from the origin. So why I must do this? Just this is the farthest from the object, from the origin. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. While here 1, 2, here at 0, and here 1. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So do not make it so hard for you guys. It's so easy.
Mister, I have a question.
Yes.
And they gave us this question, and then like A was 3 above the origin, and B was 3 under the origin. Which one do we choose?
Excellent question, by the way. Excellent question. They will not ask you, okay, even if they here put, for example, if you say A and B, so they will put here A and B, so that they are both equal to equal distances from the origin. So they will put A and B and not only A. You get it? So because they have equal distances away from the origin. You get it?
Yes, thank you.
But excellent question, by the way. So now guys, here, if each line on the grid represents 1 unit and the positive y direction is east of the origin, so which object travels 2 meters west during the first 2 seconds? So 2 meters west. What? Yes, you see it C here, but why? I want from you to tell me why. Explain it to me, please. Where is this? Is C. So 2 meters west. So guys, sorry, 2 meters east. So guys, just this is what they are trying to tell us. I will draw it here. I will draw just the curve C. So it's among 2 here. I will draw it here. Another time, keep with me guys, please. So here, so this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let me draw this. It's from 2 and here. Okay, I can draw it now. So this is the curve, guys. C. Okay, so he's trying to tell me that from the origin now I go in a different way. From the origin, this is the origin. Okay, now from the origin I go here towards what? Here towards, this is y-axis now. If this is y-axis, he's asking me, see here, what's the question, guys? And the positive y direction is east. So the positive y direction is east, okay, of the origin. Which object travels 2 meters west? So if, see here guys, if this is the east, okay, we all know that this is the east. So where is the west here in our case? Yalla guys, who can help me? Okay, we know that C is the true answer because we go 2 meters here from here to here. So this is the west and that's it. But I want from you to know how to draw and how to interpret a graph. Okay, so here, if the y direction is to the east and from the origin, so which object traveled 2 meters west during the first 2 seconds? So this is the first second. So we have first second, second, and we have 2 meters. So which graph is covering 2 seconds, 2 meters in 2 seconds? Who can tell me? Just the graph. C. Excellent. So you get it, guys? It's clear?
I don't know, I don't get this.
It?
Can you explain it again? I don't get this. Yes. Can you explain it again?
Yes, I will explain it. Guys, just if each line on the grid represents 1 unit, it's clear, and the positive y direction is east of the origin. So if this is the origin, the positive y direction is east from the origin. Just he is telling me to get the value of 2 meters in 2 seconds. Among all these vectors, who give me 2 meters among 2 seconds? This is 2 seconds, and this is 2 seconds. During this 2 seconds, who is going 2 meters west? We all know that this is the north direction, but in this case, he is telling me take the y direction is the east. You get it, guys?
Here, I'm confused.
Yes, I know that it's not easy, guys. Just you all know this is the orientation, guys, of north and east. I will put them for you here. So these are the orientations. We all know that here we have what? Who can help me? Hurry up. Here we have the north. Here we have what?
The south. The east.
South. What?
Yes, the south. Correct.
South.
North. Here
South.
what?
East.
East. Here
West.
west. And
Mr.
here
South.
South.
south. These are what we always know. Okay, but now he didn't want me to put here. We all know that all the time that y-axis is here. Okay, y-axis is here and x-axis is here. This is what we know in general. But now he wants from me to put the y-axis on towards east. So this is y-axis towards east. If I put towards x-axis as the east, okay. So here, guys, if I want to rotate all my axes, I want to rotate it. So now the north will be here. If the north here, what will be here? So if I take
the east.
The east.
Excellent. So if my north is now here, then the east will be where? Here. If my
Down.
east is here,
Mhm.
then if my east is here, then my west will be where? So my east is here. Excellent. I will draw it now also in this way. So this is the east. So this will be what? Come on, guys. Now you told me
South.
it. Here in a normal
It
one,
will
it's
be the
south.
east.
But if here is the east,
Then
towards y direction,
then
let's go
down the
towards
south.
east.
South.
So now y direction is here. So if I return back here, so now it will be here the y direction. Now at the curve C will be 2 meters. If I go 2 seconds to if I go 2 seconds, it will be 2 meters west. So this is the west will be here. Okay. This is why I tell you if I rotate my axis, okay, I rotate it.
But isn't the west
Okay,
up?
so what?
The west will be up.
Yes, the west will be here. That's it.
So
Okay.
can you show it again? Can you show the question again?
Yes.
Mr.
This is the west.
Why it's not D, for example?
It's not D because
Yeah,
D
why?
is not going towards west. This is the west in my case. Just this is the west. Just I change my orientation from northeast that I already know. I rotate my axis, just
Yes,
rotating
but
it.
C is going down. Confused.
No problem. I just want to know at point this is C. So at this point at 2 seconds, where is the value? Where is the curve that goes 2 meters to west? Just 2 meters to west. So from here to here is 2 meters to west. Okay, one y-axis is here. You get it, guys?
It's very hard. No one understand this.
Okay, no problem. Try to see it again, and I cannot just it's an idea that it will not occur every time with you. Okay, just to know its idea. I know that it's hard, but please do not you will not see it in your exam. Okay.
Mr. But how is it west? You said here the west is up, but the sea is going down.
No. Just I rotate the same, guys, the same, but just I'm rotating just my axis. It's the same, but instead of saying that y-axis is on the vertical, now y-axis on the horizontal. That's it. I didn't change my orientation, but if I put my y-axis toward on the horizontal, then the west will be upward. That's it. So where is if west is upward, so where is the 2 meters upward here after 2 seconds is point C. That's it.
Sir, but C is going south or like down, not.
It's down if we are solving in a normal one that is north, east, and south and west. You get it? But because I am rotating my axis, so now you will not see it that you are going down. Just give me 1 minute. I want to do something in order to make it clear for you. So just wait. Snipping tools. Just give me 1 minute. Guys, you make it so hard, but it's not.
Please.
Wait, just 1 minute. 1 minute. I want to show you something so that it will be more clear for you. Okay? Just see this, guys. The thing that I did here, just you see that if the x-axis, if the here the y direction is in the, let's see it in this way. Okay? Okay, so now SC is going upward or downward?
Up.
That's it. You get it? So, but the thing that I want you to know, it's that this is the positive orientation. This is the positive orientation.
Okay.
So I will put it 2 and not -2, even though if I am going to this side. Just I am rotating it, okay, not in this way, okay, just putting this side in this side and this side in this side. That's it. You get it that I'm not going downward anymore? Clear, Karim?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now let me see if everything is clear for you guys. Please, I want to make. I want.
Your mic is muted. Mister, your mic is muted, yeah, mister.
You're muted.
Mister, you are muted.
Okay, guys. Now please hurry up. Go to your assignment. It will take from you 1 minute. I cannot skip it. Okay. Now I posted it. Go for it. It's so easy. Take your time. It will take 1 or 2 minutes from you. Just if you need any help, do not submit anyway. Just tell me to help you. Okay.
Mister,
What?
did we finish this lesson or still we have more?
Mr.
No,
Silly.
in general we finish it. I will post some exercises on Classera this week and you must solve them, and the next week will be revision. So I need from you all to solve them because it's so important. It will help you in your exam. Okay, and always solve everything in everything. Resolve the assignments. It will be so important for you for your exam. Okay, and start studying, guys. And if you have any question, feel free to text me on WhatsApp and ask.
Mister, it's till now I didn't receive my assignment.
Yes, now it will be with you now. Now you can see it.
Nope.
Okay, guys. So
Okay, I got it.
solve it, and after submitting, you can leave. Have a nice day. I will end this meeting. Okay, do not forget to submit.
Mister,
And
I
if you
have a
have any
question before you go.
okay, what's the question?
About the project, I do it on Microsoft Word or PowerPoint?
You are free to do it wherever you want. Okay, you can in this and you can in this.
Can we do it on Teams or alone?
No, individual. I want individual. Yeah, it's not
Okay.
hard. It's easy,
Mister,
guys.
what is the project you send?
Just take one topic from business and one topic from physics and make a research on it so that you can after this research you can put the ideas, arrange them, put the ideas of, let's say, if you take speed, let's say, if you want to talk about speed, just Google speed, get some pictures, some ideas, so that you can put
Do I
them on a
send you in WhatsApp
PowerPoint.
or where when I'm done?
What?
Do I send you it in WhatsApp, mister, or where?
No. On my email, Classera or Teams, or
Will you check it?
what?
Will you check it, or do I tell you, or how?
Yes, one you send it to tell me on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, mister.
Mister.
Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye. Everything is clear in the assignment, or you need any help before I end the meeting?
Mr. Ashraf, hello.
Hello, I can hear you.